How much do you get paid for YouTube Shorts?
It's had 1.2 million views so far, and now the big reveal.
How much YouTube paid me for shorts with 10 million views. AdSense made me $, which is better than what Instagram paid me for the same video.
After 53 million views, over 200k subscribers, we have a very sad RPM of...
In this video, we're going to look at how much you can earn from 1 million, 10 million, even 50 million shorts views, and how the top creators supplement this income to prove that it's actually possible to go full-time creating only short form content. And do stick around until the end, because things for YouTube Shorts might be changing. And for once, it's in a good way. But first, I do want to warn you on the challenge that awaits you, even if you want to just make money from your YouTube Shorts. There are two tiers of YouTube monetization these days, and this is the first one. We'll assume you're a Shorts creator, so you need to pay close attention to those 3 million Shorts views that you need. And that, I will admit, is no mean feat. And it's not enough either. It only unlocks the first tier of monetization, which critically does not include AdSense revenue from your videos, whether they be long form content or YouTube Shorts. To unlock the second tier of monetization, you will need to double your subscriber count and more than triple your Shorts view count. Yeah, we've already seen countless comments from creators telling us just how hard this is, especially within that 3-month period. But these are YouTube's rules and you have to work within them. But let's say you do overcome this Herculean task and your YouTube Shorts are monetized and you're earning ad revenue from them. How does it work? This is complicated. For long form videos, all the ads seen are associated with a single video the viewer is watching. But with Shorts, you only see ads after you've flicked through several videos. So who gets paid and how? Let's say there are 100 million Shorts viewed from monetized creators in country A, and 1 million of those views came from you. That basically allocates you 1% of the revenue earned from those 100 million Shorts views. Kind of, because as you may have noticed with YouTube Shorts, creators can use licensed music, and so the music labels are going to take a bit of a cut, along with YouTube's cut. All of this then leaves a creator pool of money that is shared out amongst the monetized channels. Look, simply put, none of this is simple. Even YouTube's hypothetical example is lengthy, so maybe this visual is more useful. Because you see, what this image does is help you understand where you fit into everything. Yeah, it's kind of at the bottom. In actual fact, this almost looks like an inverted pyramid scheme. Before I accidentally start any conspiracy theories, basically every stakeholder is picking at the revenue before it arrives in your AdSense account. And when you combine that with essentially needing to go viral just to reach eligibility for monetization, things aren't looking too promising, are they? But the only way we're going to find this out for sure is if we investigate the personal experiences of creators and what they're getting from their YouTube Shorts revenue.
So here is exactly how much YouTube paid me for a YouTube short with 1 million views. So it's this video over here, and it's had 1.2 million views so far, and it's just taken off and it's been doing really well, still getting a lot of views. And now the big reveal. $31.7.
And when you turn those $30 from 1 million views into RPM, that's 3 cents every 1,000 views. To give you a bit of context and comparison, the RPM on our long form videos is almost 200 times this amount. And of course, while there will be variations between RPMs or CPMs as shown here, the amount you make every 1,000 views from your long form videos, no matter the topic, will always beat those of short form content.
I want to show you guys just how much more money YouTube is paying over TikTok or Instagram. So on TikTok, I made $0 because my account got banned and I'm not in the creator fund anymore, but my old account would have made about $20 with that many views. Instagram didn't pay me a thing because Instagram sucks. I got like 200 followers for it. On YouTube, I have made over $250. This isn't even updated yet. This is only counting for like 3 million of my views, but I'm getting about 7 cents per 1,000 views, which is 2 to 4 times as much as TikTok paid.
And twice as much RPM as the previous creator that we covered. And it's also interesting to note that despite being comparatively late to the short form party, YouTube Shorts are now financially competitive with their competitors in terms of Instagram Reels and TikTok. So I'd love to know from any of you out there if you have transitioned from other platforms to YouTube Shorts because the revenue is better.
How much YouTube paid me for shorts with 10 million views. But for now, AdSense made me $10, which is better than what Instagram paid me for the same video, but still a lot less than what it would have been if it was a long video.
$10 from 10 million views? Hang on, that's a RPM of 0.001 cents?
Finally, the most profitable way is the $100 million Shorts Fund. And after some quick calculations, the video made me $373.
Yeah, I see now. You've got to be careful when you're researching this stuff. The YouTube Shorts Creator Fund existed before AdSense was paid out from YouTube Shorts. And this is where if you got a couple of million views in a month, YouTube would almost gift you a bit of money. But for some creators, this was awesome because they didn't have to meet those really tough requirements to get into the YouTube Partner Program. But anyway, that was all way back in 2022, so we need to move on.
This is a video that I made in July of 2022. Then around May to June, it absolutely blew up and got millions of views. So, after 53 million views, over 200k subscribers, we have a very sad RPM of 2 cents. Now, with all that combined, we have a total estimated revenue from July 2022 to November 2023 of $827.14. Yeah.
And on the topic of YouTube Shorts revenue, that is the best voice in the world. So these creators have generated millions of views, and yet not a single one of these channels has earned more than $1,000. And it's all down to those small, tiny, insignificant RPMs. But I do have something interesting to show you about that. But first, I do need to show you a silver lining to all of this.
The biggest benefit of this is subscribers. 1 million viewers, 11,000 subscribers.
So yeah, purely from a requirements point of view, one single viral YouTube short is likely going to get you the 1,000 subscribers you need for monetization. But let's be realistic. The majority of creators aren't going to make a sustainable amount of revenue from YouTube AdSense alone, are they? So why bother doing it? How are the most successful YouTube Shorts creators making this work?
I average like 50 to 100 million views per month on Shorts. So because of that, it ranges between 5 to 10K per month in ad revenue, right? Versus like, if I was doing long form and I was getting those views, what the heck? I'd be like at what, like 100K a month?
Jenny is one of the most prolific short form content creators on the platform. And as you heard, you're looking at tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of shorts views before you start earning thousands of dollars. But when it comes to revenue, that's not in her business plan.
I think that a shorts creator could make just as much money as a long form creator. Maybe not as much ad revenue, but you can make the same money. Theoretically, ad revenue wise, it's much worse. But if you have products, courses, sponsorships, that's where the money is to be made. I know a couple of creators who literally make $1 million per sponsored short. And that, I'm just saying, so, and they get less views than me, or probably about the same. So.
Oh, she was so close to spilling the beans. Who's making $1 million per short? But if the money is to be made through sponsors, how do you land one? Well, there are several factors to consider. First, and obviously, you need to build a dedicated audience. The more loyal and interactive your audience is, the more attractive you are to sponsors. But this can be challenging, especially with shorts, because viewers often stumble upon content. But that also means that smaller channels have a chance of being discovered. And brands will start to work with you even if you're not a massive channel. And why is that? Because brands face the same challenge you do. Understand what an audience wants and is looking for. Another crucial factor is how you integrate products into your videos. Apparently, this tool can help you get 1,000 subscribers in 22 seconds. Let's find out, shall we? Checking my channel. In this example, I shared a common problem many creators have trying to get 1,000 subscribers, and I wrapped it up in a solution that vidIQ offers. Now, it might not be the best example out there, but this short does have 1 million organic views, so it must have done something right. Well, that's me sorted. Your turn. Brands appreciate creators who can seamlessly integrate products into their videos in an authentic and engaging way. It's not just about mentioning a product, it's showing its value and its relevance to the audience. Viewers, your audience, are not stupid. They know when a creator is just reading copy for a brand integration on a video, and they'll skip it. And because you can't really skip things in a YouTube short, they'll just swipe it. And what brands are also looking for is versatility and creativity. And so that means for you as a creator to truly maximize your revenue, you need to diversify the type of content you create into different formats. Compilations of shorts into long form videos is one way, and this creator is doing just that, turning dozens of shorts into 20-minute videos that land land the channel hundreds of thousands of effectively free views for hardly any extra work. And live streams are another way you can creatively flex your muscles. Whenever you pause a YouTube short, this live button appears and it just throws you into vertical live streams from anyone. It's a bit of a wild west of content discovery at the moment, and I wonder if YouTube are going to keep this long term. Anyway, what it allows you to do is directly interact with your community and open the door to revenue streams that include super chats, which you get on the first lower monetization requirement tier. And now we come full circle back to the YouTube Shorts ad revenue, and in particular, RPMs. Something's happening to them. They're going up. This is a revenue from our YouTube Shorts this time last year. Now ignore the views, ignore the estimated revenue. What we're interested in is the RPM, the amount paid to you for every 1,000 views. And let's flip forward to today. RPM has increased from 4 cents every 1,000 views to 10 cents every 1,000 views. And this is no fluke. RPM on our YouTube Shorts have been steadily rising month by month over the last year, at least on our channel. And this is confirmed by Sean at Think Media through this post on Twix. RPM rates of just 2 and 3 cents appear to be a thing of the past. Creators are reporting RPMs in the teens, sometimes as high as 20 cents every 1,000 views. Now, I'm not going to pretend that this is game changing. Ad revenue from shorts is still peanuts compared to long form ad revenue, but it is another positive green check mark in the journey of YouTube Shorts. And have a think about how long YouTube Shorts have been around for. 3, maybe 4 years, that's no time at all. And yet the platform feels complete, mature, rich with opportunities for creators and viewers who enjoy that type of content. And one of those creators is Jenny Hoyos, who you saw earlier. And in this video, she reveals a lot more about how she gets 10 million views every time she posts a YouTube short. That's pretty impressive in my book.